Good day everyone. So today I will be demonstrating the use of Photomath, which is a mathematical tool. I will show you how this tool can help us, more specifically on how to solve rational functions, but not limited to it. So just like your basic calculator, I'll be punching in an example of a rational function, f of x. By using a second degree polynomial for the numerator, let us input x squared plus 2x plus 1 all over 3x plus 2. Okay, so right away it will give you the necessary informations that you need, such as the x-intercept or the zeros. By clicking solving steps, it will show you the solution. It will also help you find the y-intercept together with its solution, and it will also find the domain together with the restricted value of x. It will also help us find the derivative, which is not covered in our topic. It can also find the relative extrema right there, and then find the vertical asymptote, which is given in the form of an equation x equals negative 2/3. It will also help you find the horizontal asymptote, but for this example there is no horizontal, but rather it has a slant asymptote with an equation y equals 1/3 x plus 4/9. It is also capable of determining if it is even, odd, or neither. And last but not the least, it will also show you the graph of the rational function. But as you can possibly observe, the asymptotes were not shown in the graph. Okay, so there you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is how powerful this tool is. So I would recommend for you to try using it and explore its features. So again, the name of this app is Photomath. But using the app did not give us a complete detail of the graph. That is why I will be using another app, which is Geogebra. Geogebra is basically a graphing calculator. So it will help us graph the rational function together with its asymptotes. So it automatically saves your previous activity. So let us first clear it up. So viewing this on your phone, this is how it should look like. We have here a Cartesian plane and then a space below so that we can punch in the function that we want. Alright, so I will be using the same rational function, which is y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Notice that I will be using a parenthesis and then press the division symbol for it to become a rational function. Okay, so with the denominator, I think it is 3x plus 1. But let me just double check. Oh, that should be 3x plus 2. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the graph of the rational function. Same as with what we had with the Photomath. But the advantage of this tool is that its capability of graphing multiple equations. So by double checking, our vertical asymptote is x equals negative 2/3. Let us check again. Okay, so down below our rational function, we could punch in x equals negative 2 divided by 3. Then the graph will automatically appear on the screen. Okay, we can also do some edits of the graph by clicking on the right pane and then hovering for the settings, and by clicking on style options, let us use broken lines. You can also change the color of the graph as you may prefer, and also you may input the desired name for your equation. So I will name it VA for vertical asymptote. I repeat, you can rename the equation with your own preference, and with my choice I will be using VA. Okay, so for this example, we do not have a horizontal asymptote but rather a slant asymptote. So we'll just copy the computed equation on the Photomath, which is y equals 1/3 x plus 4 over 9. And going back to our GeoGebra, we could punch in the equation y equals 1/3 x plus 4 divided by 9. Okay, so unlike Photomath, this tool doesn't have a special key for fraction. That is why we are using the division symbol so that our fraction will appear in the screen. Okay, so for final retouch, we will edit the slant asymptote with a style of broken lines, and then we'll rename it into a slant HA. Okay, so there you go. Everything is complete. We now have the rational function, its vertical asymptote together with its slant asymptote. So let us zoom it in for a better view. And in here, we could also check for the table of values for the graph, and we can set the interval. And then automatically it will show you the value of the input together with its output. Okay, so this app has many other options for it to be explored. And as an end result for our graph, we can actually take a screenshot of it and then paste it on a Word document. Okay, so this ends our video. Thank you so much for watching.